Hi, my name is Russ Nesevich. I'm with Nesevich Law. We have offices in Moorestown, New Jersey and Manalapan, New Jersey. One of the questions that often comes up in my estate planning practice is, can I just do this online? Can I go to LegalZoom or some other website, download a will, healthcare power of attorney, durable power of attorney, and just do this myself? And the answer is, I strongly don't advise it. I've seen cases where people have come into my office for probate work where somebody downloaded a will and wound up signing it or having witnesses sign it or having it even notarized in the wrong place, and now that will is being contested. The point of doing estate planning isn't the documents that you get when the work is done. It's not the outcome, but it's the planning along the way. It's speaking to an attorney and knowing what you can do, what you can't do, and what your options are. Two of the best compliments that I get in my practice are the following. One is, boy, this was way easier than I expected it was going to be. And the other is, boy, you gave me options that I never even considered for taking care of my children, my spouse, my assets. You're not going to get that by downloading a form online. If you'd like to talk to us about that or any other issues related to estate planning, give us a call. We can be reached at 856-439-6223. Thank you.